Hi guys, today I want to talk about the pricing of Microline and how do we do the initial pricing and how does it work and the different type of microlines that are available. Microlines are by a company called Hair Dreams, and they have a far superior quality than any other company that I know in the integration type of the hair pieces or hair toppers. Microlines have several different types and shapes. Generally, they can last about a year or longer with proper care and maintenance, and they act like just like your own hair, better version of it, but it's like an extension for top of the head. It works great with integrating with your own hair and your daily lifestyle. You don't have to remove it and put it on and off on a daily basis. I will start out with the smallest microline. You always have the initial cost of the actual piece. You have the initial fitting and application, cutting and everything, and then you have your maintenance, which it varies anything between 5 to 6 or 7 weeks for some guests, but I would say generally I stay between 5 to 6 weeks. How we do that with our maintenance is we remove completely, wash the scalp, make sure it is completely all ready to go, and put the hair back on as well. But meanwhile, you're able to shower, you're able to wash your own hair yourself and go about your daily basis. With the microline, the smallest microline that we have is about 4 by 4. Generally, this piece is good for the crown, and if you have a splitting of the crown and your crown is too thin, this is perfect for that kind of application. Price of this is about $1,700. Price of microline changes based on certain colors. You got e-colors or gray colors that are a little bit higher. So in a way, this is more of a guesstimated pricing. You have the price of tax and however the actual sales is set up. We have another microline that is about 35 centimeters, and this is a little smaller as well. This is perfect for the part line, and in a way, when you do that, it covers all of this area as well. This has a definite parting, so it is a little bit flatter than the regular push-up microlines, but it is completely mimic the scalp, and then you have the side integration that the hair come out of that. We have another one that is actually one of the main pieces for microline, and this is their I believe tight 30. This is about a little bit longer than a bob length, I would say right around the shoulder. The tight is when the front has this little area, it's a little denser in the front, and then you have the integration in the back. Actually skip the pricing on this. The top hair 35, you are looking at about $2,700 plus tax and fitting. With this as well, you're looking anything between $2,600 to $2,700. With microline, we have 7-star quality, we have 5-star quality. Your 7-star is far superior quality, and it lasts a little bit longer, and the hair is a little bit softer. Most microline have wavy hair, but actually in a very recent application, I got a piece that was just straight as a board. It is not considered a defect by the company. It is just how the hair comes, and the hair again generally lasts you about a year. So it is important to know and make sure about what texture of the hair you want. So sometimes it's a hit and miss if it has wave or if the hair is pretty straight. If you are somebody who want a definite part, Microline has one piece that has the actual PU. What I mean by PU is this, that you can see the scalp, and you have to be very specific if you want them in the middle, on a side, or the other side. The specific piece, you can change the part line and you have to stick with that part. It is a trade-off. Some people like it, some people don't. If you are somebody who definitely want to see a part, and like this, you want to see the skin, the scalp, you cannot go with the regular Microline, because with this hair, we pull your own hair through and you're not able to see through like you see scalp. Pros and cons, there's always trade-off for everything, but in general, I love Microline pieces because they are very easy and integrate with your daily lifestyle. But again, the downside is still is not like your full scalp and your own hair. All that being said, always go for customization, get the actual exact pricing, because based on what I'm saying, someone's pricing can be different than mine, and then consider your cost of maintenance and your initial application. If you have any question, or if I can help you with your specific need, I'll be more than happy to answer that for you. Just comment below and I will have the answer for you, and I will definitely get back with you. Until then, have a great day and dare to live beautifully. Ciao.